Hello friends, welcome to 5 Tech. This is Realme 5 Pro smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can take a slow motion video in Realme 5 Pro smartphone. First of all, open camera in your phone Realme 5 Pro. Open camera and keep your camera mode in video. This is video mode and click on this icon, slide down and select SLO-MO. Now record a video. The recorded video will be a slow motion video. While recording this video will be like a normal video, but when you play this video, the video will be playing in slow motion. I stop this video and playing this video. See the action of playing. The action is very slow. So in this way you can easily take a slow motion video in the Realme 5 Pro smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, bye.